And this time we continue the work. I remind you, after we have done the complex stitch, we join it to this one, to this chain space, then I did 3 chain space, and I join it to this chain space. Here I did the joining on this side, and here we have done the joining twice. We continue the work. I'm going to make the joining twice into this chain space and into this one with help of the single crochet. Chain of 3 for the chain space. Make single crochet into the stitch that we did before. We have just joined. Chain of 3. Four double crochet in a row. Chain of 3. Make single crochet into the chain space that we did before. Chain of 3, turn the work and double crochet into the each of next 4 stitches. Chain of 3. Make single crochet into the single crochet that we did before. Chain of 3, turn the work and 4 double crochet in a row. Chain of 7 for a chain space. 4 double crochet in a row. Chain of 3. Work with next chain space. Make single crochet. Chain of 3. Turn the work. 4 double crochet in a row. Three chains and work with single crochet into the next chain space. 3 chains for the chain space. Turn the work and double crochet into the each of next 4 stitches for the Bruges lace. Chain of 3. Make single crochet into the next chain space. Then chain of 3. Turn the work and 4 double crochet for the Bruges lace. Seven chains, 4 double crochet in a row. Chain of 3. Yarn over the hook twice, work with next chain space. Make treble crochet. then chain of 3, turn the work and 4 double crochet. Chain of 3, make single crochet into the next chain space, chain of 3, turn the work and 4 double crochet in a row. Chain of 3, then yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times, then yarn over the hook 3 times and make double treble crochet stitch, not finish. Then pull through all loops on the hook. Chain of 3, 4 double crochet in a row. Let's look what we will do next. As you can see, we continued the work. Here how our joining look like. I'm going to make the turn. These 5 chain spaces, chain of 3 for the chain space, then chain of 6 more, then yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch from the beginning, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times, make 3 double treble crochet stitches, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch that we did before and make double treble crochet stitch, not finish, make the second one into the same stitch and the third one, not finish, and pull through all loops except the last one. We have 2 loops on the hook, then yarn over the hook 3 times, make a cluster made of 3 double treble crochet stitches, make the first double treble crochet stitch, not finish, make the second one, not finish, the third one, pull through except the last one, make a cluster into the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, then pull through 3 loops, make a cluster into the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, pull through. We have 5 loops on the hook. Continue. Make a cluster made of 3 double treble crochet stitches. Into this chain space, make the first one, make the second one, the third one, and pull through 3 loops at once. We have 6 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Here how the center looks like. Continue. Chain of 5. Turn the work. Work a slip stitch into the same chain stitch that we did treble crochet into. Chain of 3. And continue working with Bruges Lace. 4 double crochet in a row. Make 2 double crochet in a row and double crochet 2 together. Continue chain of 3. Let's stop here and look at our swan. This is the last turn in this motif. We need to complete the work. I will work with these 3 chain spaces and with this chain space. I'm going to make the complex stitch and I will use these 4 chain spaces. As you can see, I put the motif on the table for more clear look. After we have done chain of 3, then yarn over the hook 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I insert the hook into the next chain space from the back to the front. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3 times. Then yarn over the hook 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the next chain space. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. We have 2 stitches not finished. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Here what we have 3 stitches not finished. Yarn over the hook 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the motif. Insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 stitches not finished. Then yarn over the hook, pull through first 4 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. The complex stitch is ready. chain of 3, to complete the motif, work with double crochet 3 together, 1, 2, 3 and pull through. The work is finished. Let's look what we have done. The beautiful swan motif is ready. It is front side, and let's take a look at the back side. Today we have learned how to crochet beautiful swan motif made in Bruges Lace technique. Don't miss our new projects. Thanks for watching.